May I request Senior Girl Scout Stephanie Renka to please lead the Girl Scout promise and law.
I Girl Scout promise and law and Millicent. On my honor, I will do my duty to God and my country, to help other people at all times, and to live by the Girl Scout law. Our Girl Scout's honor is to be trusted. Our Girl Scout is loyal. Our Girl Scout is helpful. Our Girl Scout is a friend to all and a sister to every other Girl Scout. Our Girl Scout is courteous. Our Girl Scout respects living things. Our Girl Scout is disciplined. Our Girl Scout is self-reliant. Our Girl Scout is thrifty. Our Girl Scout is clean and taught, word and deed.